Hi guys, in today's episode we are gonna tectonic. We're gonna upgrade this office to something much better. I have 1,000 ideas in my mind. As you know, I have changed setup of this background over and over again. We first started in my room. This is the clip. Let's go. Today's vlog is gonna be about fear. And then we moved to my new apartment, which is this one. Okay, it's been a while since my last vlog. And then I had the idea of maybe filming my videos at night at home, and I made this setup which did not work as well. So I decided to move everything to the living area, which I did not use for like a year now. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the moment you have all been waiting for, let me introduce you to... This is so good. I am so proud of this new setup. I love it. If you love it, press a like button on that video. If you want to see more of this, subscribe. And so these are the alteration of the office. And now we have this place, which I kind of like, but I still think that we can make it so much better. And I'm not gonna vlog this setup because I don't have enough time and I have so much work to do right now. So I'm gonna be moving all of these right now. And this is the new office. And this is the new setup, guys, that I'm really proud of. This, the whole thing like this, it looks beautiful, right? I have added so many lights like this one. And so this is the setup without any lights. I wanted to show you around the how of what I made this office and how this image you're looking at right now is so good, guys. So on the left we've got my huge window, which is lighting half of my face, which is called a key light. And over here we've got what we would call my fill light, which fills the other half of my face, but not too much so that there's... And this is the thing I like the most. It is called the... I don't know how it's called. I think it's called the hair light or the back light or something. It gives this 3D. It really pops me out of the background over there, and in order to make the background look more interesting, we've got those 3 lights. And we've got that setup that I am so excited about. It took me 5 days, guys. From the previous setup to this one, I took my time, I made it just the way I wanted to. And without any further ado, since you all are waiting for it, I'm sure, cue the cinematic of this new office. Let's go! Who am I kidding? This side looks really good. But the other side, it's a mess, guys. Let's be honest. I just put all the junk over there so that this side looks really good. And we will attack this side sooner rather than later. Okay, let's get back to business now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's so much better than the previous one. So without any further ado, let me talk more about this office right there. I've designed it so that I can put everything that concerns my new brand over here in this office. One of the reasons why I like this setup so much is that I have the flexibility of shooting on almost every angles, and it kind of looks good everywhere. See, this is on the table right next to this. Also, if I put my camera over here on the other side of the studio. It still looks good because I have this light over here. I mean this one. Or if I want to explain, I still get some good lights over there. I can also add this light so that I get this nice effect over here. And guys, I can shoot from any angles and it kind of look good. Now this is the trickiest place to shoot because I don't have any direct light in front of me. This light is not enough and the background is too lit for my beautiful face. I will figure it out. I will place the ring light over here and we will have a good... I have a lot of plans for this actual background, guys. And so yeah, I think that is it for the tour of this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Back to the perfect setup over there. So let's get to business. In today's order of business, we have three things. We have an order by my cousin Nicolas, who I will have to deliver by tonight. Nicolas, I didn't know you watched the vlog. Thank you for your support. We've also got an order for Mr. David Lam, the chef from Gourmet Avenue, which we are going to prepare everything right now in front of your eyes. And he also won the Le Pape t-shirt, which is great. I also called my friend because one of my very good friends in Canada, shout out to David and Wendy. I hope you guys are doing well in Canada. I'm going to come and visit you very soon. You make sure you're watching the vlog because... anyways, I'm going to be preparing their t-shirts. Alongside with that, Christine asked me for 2 Le Pape t-shirts. Yes guys, Le Pape t-shirt is a real thing. I might have made it as if it was a joke in the previous video, but no, I'm actually selling the Le Pape t-shirt for 200 rupees. DM me if you want to get it. And also my cousin from Singapore, Patty, I'm also sending him 2 t-shirts. And I will do that just now. I will have to check out how to proceed to Singapore, I'm not too sure, but let's get ready started. Okay, so for today's order we have Nicolas Wong Siki, Christine Chin, you asked for XL for Gary, but I think he's gonna wear XXL. The cut is a bit small, so I'll change it for you. Dav, JC. Shout out to my clients in Canada, if you know what I mean. David Lam. David Lam from Gourmet Avenue. If you haven't been there, check out Gourmet Avenue on Facebook, press a like, support this because the food is delicious. Okay, so let's get this order ready. And for that we have to go here. And what we do with this t-shirt is I check them myself one by one. This one is for Wendy, and Wendy is a bit short, so we're gonna cut the t-shirt so that it fits her. Ding. This medium is for David. He's long enough, but he said he lost weight last time I talked to him. I hope you fit a medium, man. And let me show you the packaging that I've been working on. Okay. So the idea for the t-shirt is, in order to have that local feel, we are gonna pack it like a dal puri. David's order. Next. And this is for Chef David. This one is for Nicolas. And then we've got Dav and Wendy's order. So that is it for today's vlog, guys. Let's go back to this beautiful setup over there for the menu la fin. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, of course, press a like. It really helps the channel to grow. Subscribe if you haven't yet already, because it is an exciting time to subscribe to YouTube channel. Thank you so much.